talking with another friend of ours here. This is David from Armor3d Printing.
How you doing?
Doing pretty well. How's the show been for you?
Oh, it's been great. Non-stop, tons of people, lots of energy. It's been great. My first year with my own booth, second time being here, and yeah, I couldn't be happier. This has been awesome.
Cool. Yeah, I think when we met, you were helping out at another booth.
Yep.
And now you're here with your own stuff. So you've got a couple printers going.
Yes. So this one right here is my 2.4 with the full Vitali CNC motion system. We have the new live idler Y and X joints and double shear AB modem mounts, as well as the front tensioners and their new solid Z mounts. Those might be a little hard to see, but they're back here. They're black, and
see them a little bit there.
Yep, with the new West3D build surface. And one of my favorite parts about it is the back panel done by my buddy LTX Designs. He did that custom engraving for me with my logo in it. And yeah, this printer's been a workhorse for me.
Nice.
I'm very happy with it.
Cool. And then
this one in the middle is my buddy Django's Doom Trident. It's all-wheel drive, 48 volt, and it's got the Honey Badger classified motors and prototype all-wheel drive system. Also with the back panel by LTX Designs.
yep. Very cool.
And then this one is the one I just finished building on stream. This is the 0G Nebula. This one was done with Fabrico and Dilpitif. We went with the Illusion Cherry frame, and I went with my company colors on it. We got the red frame, white and black accents, and the Turtle Crawler CNC all metal motion system.
Nice.
Yeah, and then you might be able to see it all the way in the back, but that's my Ender 3 NG. It's taking a break. That one was printing all day yesterday.
Kind of almost get through there, through the nebula.
Yeah.
So when you're not building printers, you are streaming.
I am. I stream every Tuesday night, Eastern time, 7 o'clock. And we do various builds, whatever I can come across in my shop. And yeah, we have a great time. I kind of just go until we're done and have a good time along the way.
Cool. Well, it's been really great to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
People can check you out on Armor3d Printing. That's on YouTube?
On YouTube, yep.
YouTube, excellent.
Yep.
Cool, well enjoy the rest of the show.
Awesome, thanks. Good seeing you again.